everyone, Jeremy here. So in this video, I really want to share our new home. It's a $60,000 home we bought here in Michigan. And if you guys have been following our story, you already know that we started with like an 800 square foot, dark, scary apartment. Made our way, we bought a manufactured home. That was the scariest thing we've ever done. Started from the studs and completely renovated it into something beautiful. We were able to sell that in Oregon, come out here to Michigan. We bought a small A-frame, right? And now we were able to purchase another home, 3-bedroom, 2 full baths in cash for $60,000. Now I want to share with you, just kind of give you an empty house tour, what you can get for $60,000 in Michigan. And at the end of the video, I want to share with you how we found the deal and some more numbers. Let's take a look inside. So we're in the garage right now. It's a 1.5 car garage. As you come in here, it's a 1959 home. Like I said, it's a 2 full bathrooms. So on the first side here, we have just a shower, a toilet, pretty simple. We're gonna definitely remodel this here. As you walk in on your right-hand side, it's gonna be just another full bathroom. A full bedroom. Let's take a look at it. So we got pink floors. Today we're gonna demo that.
And pink curtains.
And pink curtains.
You look good, baby.
So Grace and I, we're gonna completely just take out all the floors and do a little demo today. It's not too much, it's just really cosmetic, and so that's what we're really happy about. But it's a pretty decent sized room here. It's probably gonna be my office area, but just put some white flooring, some white paint, maybe some blue paint, make a little studio. We'll see how it goes.
You do what you want.
Let's make our way down this way. Where's the lights at?
Do we have power? Yeah,
we got power. So this is actually the front door right here. The front door of the house. I know this is kind of like a little small, right? That's kind of like a con, I guess, of the house. But and then right here is not a closet. This is actually upstairs to 2 bedrooms and the full bath. We'll get there in a sec. Right here, I really appreciate this door right here, because it's a little closet for, you know, jackets and shoes. As people enter into the home, we didn't have that in our A-frame, and I think that's huge. And so as you make your way through here, this is what I'm really excited about, is the living room / dining room area. It's just super open, great lighting. You got a big window here. You got 2 windows here, so I can just, if you can just imagine here, a nice couch here. We got a fireplace that actually works, and that's.
And it's a natural wood, like natural.
Yeah, natural wood. I mean, gas would probably be more not efficient, but maybe just more convenient and easier. But no, it's a wood. I mean, it works. That'll be nice. And this over here will be our dining room space area, which will, I think, fit about like a 6-person table. So we're really excited about that.
If we really push it could fit probably 8, but we're going to stick to 6.
Yeah, and we're definitely going to get rid of this flooring here. We're going to put light vinyl luxury flooring just to make the room feel a lot bigger, because right now, even though this carpet looks relatively new, it's still dark, and it makes the room feel really small. So we're going to rip up this carpet today as well. Now, as we make our way to the kitchen, man, they made things like really small back then. So as we make our way here, we have actually our basement. I've never had a basement. Like, I don't know.
I'm kind of excited though.
Yeah, out here's like a big deal. Like, Michiganders, they love basements. I don't know. I've never had one. Never really thought much of it. I guess it's convenient when you're working on things like plumbing or electrical. So that actually is really convenient. But I noticed that my insurance went up for this. Because of the basement and the fireplace. So our insurance is actually a little bit more expensive, like $20 more a month compared to our other A-frame. And our A-frame is 1,000 square feet, and this one is about 1,200 square feet. So we moved up just a little bit, making our way up. I mean, we started 800 square feet and a mobile home, or no, like a 600 square feet apartment, and then like mobile home 800, A-frame 1,000, 1,200. So we're slowly making our way up. So this is the kitchen. I mean, it's definitely vintage for sure. Outdated. We're thinking about removing this completely. All of this shelving, put some tile up, put some open shelving, just to make it feel really big and really nice. I've never had a range that was, I guess, seamless.
Stovetop?
Oh, stovetop. Yeah, I guess. I don't even know what it's called, right? I've never had one of these, but it's really seamless with the counter. So, I don't know. What do you think about that, Grace? Are you excited about that?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
They're more expensive than regular stoves.
It can be, yeah. And then the oven here is on the wall. right here. This is actually kind of small, but
It's so small.
we'll have to make it work, right? And if you make your way down this way here,
Well, with the way you're eating, I don't know.
there's a little storage counter space here. I can see like the coffee area right here. You know, toaster. We'll probably keep all this. Maybe get rid of this.
Yeah.
Keep all this, just so there's just more storage space. But it's pretty small. But we're gonna make it feel big. Make it really nice. Definitely paint it. Get rid of some of this wallpaper. It's peeling right here, and it looks like it's like water damage, but it's not. It's not water damage. It's just peeling.
Yeah.
So this is actually the laundry room. It's pretty dark. I don't even know. Is there a light in here? Oh, there's no light in here. So this is the laundry area, but we're actually probably gonna move it. We're probably gonna move it downstairs in the basement because there's already a hookup down there, right? Is that what you wanted, babe?
Yeah, we're gonna move it downstairs, and then we're gonna turn this into like a pantry.
Yeah, turn this into a pantry.
Because I've
area.
never had a pantry.
Yeah, just more storage because this kitchen, like I said, is a little small.
Yeah. I'm excited.
I would take it to the basement, but it's just really boring down there. Like it's just
We'll
kind of.
take it to the basement once I start a project down there.
But let's take them upstairs. 1959 home. I mean, it's in really great condition for being built in 1959.
Yeah.
One owner, and she just passed away. So let's go up the stairs. We're gonna get rid of all this carpet here. I gotta find the lights around here. I don't even. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we got 2 bedrooms on either side and a bathroom. This will probably be our bedroom here. I really like that there's natural hardwood floors here.
Yep.
So we're definitely going to refinish those. You can see there's a lot of peeling paint. And yeah, just everywhere there's a lot of peeling paint.
Yeah.
I'm also really excited, and I know Grace you are too. We got actually like a bigger closet, right? It's our A-frame, really small closet space. I mean, it's kind of small too, but it's a jump up. Let's head this way. I really like this built-in feature here for clothes and laundry and towels. And then a little small bathroom. This way. Yeah, I mean, you got a tub. I mean, it's solid. I don't know if it's steel or what,
That's what
but
they were saying, steel.
or something. Yeah, I can just repaint it.
It's like good quality.
Yeah, and then maybe tile this up. You got a little sink here. Maybe we can put in something here for some more storage. Yeah, it's a little annoying having this small of a bathroom, but hey, in Michigan, it's actually kind of hard to find 3-bedroom, 2 full baths. It's always 1.5 or 1 bath, and so just having 2 full baths is huge. And for $60,000, I mean, come on, we'll make it work. This is going to be our son's room. I'm excited for him to have his own room that's a lot bigger. He's growing up now.
Yeah.
He's growing up. I mean, he's starting to sleep on his own. And so, yeah, we're going to have to refinish the floors here. But I
Becoming
mean,
Mr. Independent.
Mr. Independent. We got a big closet. Really, this is actually bigger than ours over here.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my clothes here.
You don't have that many clothes though. So we got a big closet here, and then look at this. This shelving that is actually built in. Really nice. Great lighting in here. And the ceilings are though a little shorter. I think this is like 7 foot,
Yeah.
right? So it's like a 1.5 story home. But let's go downstairs and I'll share with you how we found the deal.
So we're going to talk about how we came across this house and how it was a huge blessing. We know it was all the Lord, and honestly, every time I see it, it just makes me happy because of that.
Yeah.
So we were kind of looking for another house, but we weren't seeing anything that we like.
For the price, right?
For the price.
'Cause, I mean, as you know,
and
like,
everything's kind of gone up, expensive.
Really
and
expensive.
some of the houses didn't even have a good foundation. They were like falling apart, and we kind of were like, you know what, let's just wait until things just kind of like mellow down. And we kind of just put that in our head, like we're just gonna wait. But out of nowhere, like a couple days after we decided that we weren't gonna be looking anymore, our realtor texted Jeremy and said that he had a house
Yeah, he had a house that was for sale that's been on the market for 150 days, and I was surprised.
Which
Yeah, it just doesn't happen right now.
Houses haven't been in the market for that long.
Yeah, and they were asking $90,000, and I know you may think, well, that's not even like that much, but for this area, it's just hard to find 3-bedroom, 2-bath that's in the $150,000 range. So this house was asking $90,000. It had horrible pictures. Gutters falling off, bushes and lawn that hadn't been taken care of, and so there's even a skunk. Right, there's a skunk right there that
There's still a skunk
there.
Go get it.
I'm gonna have to trap that. I've never done that before. I don't know what I'm doing. So my realtor texted me and he was like, "Hey, if you offer cash, they just want a quick, done, closed deal."
Yeah.
And so I came in, offer 50, and we agreed on 60 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home.
Yeah.
And the reason I say it's a blessing is because there's other homes around this area that are selling right now for over 120 that are 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and around 1,200 square
And
feet.
some of them don't even have 2 bathrooms.
Oh yeah, it's 1.5.
Yeah.
Right? And
One
they're
or two.
and they're not even
1.5.
remodeled.
Yeah.
And so we know just with some love and with some paint, some new flooring, I mean, we're upwards of 130,000 in equity immediately. So it's a doubled in value, this house. And I could take better pictures if we're going to sell it, but we're not going to sell it.
We're not going to sell.
We're going to make this our own.
Yes.
And it's just amazing. It's amazing how God works.
We walked in and I was like, I kind of fell in love with the house. It's just vintage and I love the character of the house. I love vintage old homes. Like, they just have so much character. And so I walk in, I'm trying not to get too excited because Jeremy's like, you get too excited, Grace.
Seriously, house fever.
And I was like, okay, I'm not going to try to get excited because we walked in, we saw the house, and I was like, Jeremy, like, I really like the house. And he's like, well, Grace, we have to go through inspection. And that's what kind of scared me. I was like, oh my gosh, I hope something doesn't pop up because the house is so old, whatever. And there is some peeling from like the paint. And I was like, hopefully it's not water damage. But thankfully, it's not water damage. It's just the way that they painted. It just started peeling. The guy kind of explained to us, the inspector. But he said that the way this house was made is just amazing. And that's why it has lasted so long because of the material that they used for this house. The basement's in good condition.
It has good bones.
Yeah, it has really good bones. And I'm so grateful for that because that's what's scary about old houses is that you just don't know what's gonna pop up. Like the skunk.
Yeah, like the skunk. But that's not even part of the house. Yeah. That's just a critter out there. So yeah, let us know what you think as far as like, is this like a deal for you? Like, I mean, would you buy something like this that is this old?
A lot of people think they were crazy.
Yeah, like when we told some of our friends, they thought like there's no way they would buy this. But like, what did you think? Would you buy something like this? I mean,
I'm excited.
We see an opportunity when we see stuff like this. Like, it has good bones. It just needs some paint, some flooring. Yeah. Like we see
something for like the future. We're actually gonna start working on the house today. We're gonna start tearing out some of these carpet. And if you want to stick through this whole journey of how we remodel this house, how we transform it, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
If you have any questions, leave them down below, or any video ideas as far as like, through this remodel, I'll take that into consideration for sure. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and we'll give you an update on what we're going to do with the A-frame and different things like that. So
see you later.
See you later.